Hey everybody, this is Rodney. This is a swarm I picked up the other day, and they have emptied out that syrup over pretty much overnight. I guess yesterday they had to work on it, but look at the bees in the cup. I'm going to remove the lid, and we're going to release this queen. I'll bring you back. All right, yeah, the girl's a little upset. Not bad. We'll have to dig Mama out of that bunch and get her released. She should be coming out any time. Plug pulled out when I picked the cage up. Let's see if we can see her. There she goes. There she goes right there. All right. That's what we wanted to see.